In this video, we will learn to solve WebGL not supported by your Google Chrome browser. So let's begin. So to fix this WebGL error in Google Chrome, what you have to do is just go and open your Google Chrome, and here at the right top corner, just go and click on it, and here just go and click on settings. Once settings are open, just scroll down below, and here click on advanced. Just go and click on that. Once you click, there will be a menu drop down, so just go and scroll down below. Just go and scroll down below, and here under the system you would find an option of use hardware acceleration when available. Just go and once you have on that, just go and click on relaunch. It will relaunch your Google Chrome browser. So once you have done so, just go and open your new tab, and here just go in the URL bar, just go and type in for Chrome //flags. Once you have written this, just go and hit enter, and here just go and search for WebGL, and here it is, WebGL draft extension. Just go and enable it. Just go and enable it. Again, just go and click on relaunch now, and here it is. Once you have done so, hope your problem will be solved. If you still have any confusion or error, just comment down below. I will try to answer that. But before you go, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.